Welcome to this extended English conversation practice.
In this video, you will hear a long English conversation.
Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Let's begin.
Hi, Mark. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well.
How's the weather this morning?
It's sunny but a little windy. Do you like this weather?
Yes, it feels fresh.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6 to you. And you?
I woke up at 7:15.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had bread and coffee. What about you?
I had eggs and juice.
Are you going to work today? Yes, I am. Do you have class? Yes, I have an English class.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books. What about you?
I like playing guitar.
Do you meet your friends often?
Yes, almost every weekend. Do you?
Yes, we meet for coffee.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes. And you?
I prefer shopping for electronics.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I use it every day. How about you?
I use it mainly for studying.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to France last year. And you?
I haven't, but I want to travel soon.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta. What about you?
I like pizza.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea. And you?
I like coffee more.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football. Do you?
I play badminton sometimes.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I plan to visit my family. What about you?
I will watch a movie with friends.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What about you?
I enjoy jazz.
Do you read books often?
Yes, almost every night. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to be a teacher. What about you?
I want to be a doctor.
How do you go to school?
I usually take the bus. And you?
I ride my bicycle.
Do you try to exercise every day to stay healthy?
Not every single day, but I go to the gym 3 times a week. Do you exercise often?
Yes, I practice yoga at home at least 4 times a week because it helps me stay relaxed.
How many people are there in your family, Anna?
There are 5 people in my family, my parents, 2 brothers, and me. What about yours?
There are 4 people in my family. My parents, my younger sister, and me.
Do you actually enjoy learning English, or do you find it difficult?
I really enjoy learning English because it's useful for travel and work. Do you enjoy it too?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot because it helps me communicate with people from many countries.
Can you tell me about one of your best memories?
One of my best memories is my graduation day because all my family and friends were there to celebrate with me. What about you?
My favorite memory is my first trip to the beach. When I was a child, it was exciting and unforgettable. Anna, what is your favorite holiday of the year?
My favorite holiday is New Year's because it feels like a fresh start. How about you?
I really like Christmas because I can spend more time.
Besides English, would you like to learn another language? Yes, I like to learn Spanish because it's spoken in many countries. What about you?
Do you prefer studying alone or with others? Do you spend much time on social media every day?
I try not to spend too much time, but I usually check Instagram and YouTube. What about you?
I also use YouTube a lot, especially for watching educational videos and music.
Do you remember any interesting dreams you had recently?
Yes, last night I dreamed about traveling to a beautiful island with white sand, beaches. How about you?
I don't remember last night's dream, but I once dreamed I was flying, and it felt amazing.
Anna, what is the most difficult part of your daily routine?
For me, waking up early is always a challenge, especially during the winter. What about you?
My biggest challenge is managing my time when I have too many tasks to finish.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out at restaurants?
I enjoy cooking at home because it's healthier and less expensive. What about you?
I like both, but sometimes I treat myself by eating at a nice restaurant.
Do you enjoy spending time in nature, like parks or forests?
Yes, I love walking in the park because it makes me feel calm and relaxed. How about you?
I also enjoy being in nature. Hiking in the mountains is my favorite activity.
What is one big dream you have for the future?
My dream is to travel around the world and learn about different cultures. What about you?
My dream is to open a small bookshop where people can read, relax, and enjoy coffee.
Anna, what advice would what you give to someone who wants to learn English faster?
I would say practice speaking every day, even if it's just a few minutes. It was really wonderful talking with you today, Mark.
Yes, I enjoyed our long and meaningful conversation very much.
Excellent work. We just practiced a long English conversation about daily life, food, travel, hobbies, money, health, jobs, and more.
Watch again, repeat often, and keep improving your English listening and speaking skills.